Look who I got. I got you. They're doing their insanity. Jess and I are working on our vlogs. And what day is it today? As I used to say, Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day.
With an M. OMG, what did you bring? Those are so cute! Oh my gosh, there's a little D on it. What are these?
They are my Gradient Genie strawberry cake recipe.
Oh wow.
And 2 cupcakes.
Very cute skirt.
Thank you.
These are so adorable. She got them for everyone in our families. Devoured. I ate that in like 30 seconds. So good. Ooh, and real strawberries in it. It was delicious.
Eat the ends of things.
You squinting? The sun in your eyes? Marley, you guys gonna share a bed? Little mini me? We are in Publix getting subs, and it is all decked out in Valentine's decorations, and there's a dance floor with a disco ball spinning, and it's called a Dance to Remember. I think you can probably win something if you go in there. Not sure, I feel like that'd be pretty embarrassing because the only people dancing in there. Everybody's just lounging around. The 2 boys sticking together. We are at Target. Yeah. What?
I didn't bring my list and I don't know what we need now.
Why are you in the toy section? I'll be over here.
Yeah, we're going to the games. Like, alright guys, I'm gonna go find a
We're in
shovel.
Target again. We're getting some props for video.
Oh my god.
Drunk Lego. It's one of the funniest things.
Reminds me, I haven't watched X-Files in a while.
I'm making a dick for sure.
that.
Oh, I'm gonna win.
Oh, wow.
I'm winning for sure.
That's really cool.
I'm beating you. Look how much faster
How do you
I'm
win?
going. I go way faster than you.
Who can look less stupid while doing that? What does the other one sound like? Fortune cookie maker. I wonder who would buy this.
Oh, I just got you one of those.
Whoops. And a mini pie maker? A donut maker?
Oh, hell yeah.
Where are the cameras? Okay, right there. Good. Whoa! It's so little, I can't even like stay on it. I'm coming to get her.
I can't turn. I can't turn. I can't turn. Okay. Hold on, maybe if I like... How are you pedaling on that?
Take the lead. Full keyboard and mouse.
Are they kissing? You are making out right in front of me. Because it's Valentine's Day. Thought you'd get away with it. Look, these 2 keep kissing.
Oh, a little peck. We're making out. Rated R.
That's so cute. He's cleaning her. Oh my god. Oh, I caught you. Excuse me, excuse me. Oh god. Does that mean there's a giant cat walking around here somewhere?
Honey, let me just tell you right now, I love the gift you got me.
Best Valentine's Day ever. Allie has dressed me up once again in all of her clothes. Love her style anyway, so it works. I'm totally decked out in Allie clothes. We've been doing this forever. She's been dressing me since I was 12. Square one burgers, yum. Oh, Kai, you picking your nose.
I was not picking my nose. I had a whole tutorial about this.
Look at this couch made out of cow. You can sit on a cow while you eat a cow. This looks amazing. Oh, thanks.
Can I have a water as well, please?
Sure. Do you want lemon?
Yes, thank you.
That looks amazing. That looks amazing. That looks amazing.
I'm ready.
Look how giant that portobello is.
That is the biggest mushroom I've ever seen. That's
Okay, so for ages I've been using a magazine as a mouse pad, and Justin just got me a new cute mouse pad. I'm really happy to have it. So tomorrow I've got some filming of a skit with Allie and Jesse and Mel, so that'll be super fun girls time. So yeah, we got that to look forward to tomorrow. So good night, and I will see you then.
I like girls that don't like me. I wonder if we'll ever meet, but chances are you're not for me, 'cause I'm not sure about anything. No, waking up too sick to see, step back, breathing, just fucking breathing. Let's pretend it's you, not me. Fake looks, fake eyes, fake everything. No, waking up too sick to see, step back, breathing, just fucking breathing. Let's pretend it's you, not me. Fake looks, fake eyes, fake everywhere. So lotion, motion, don't use the notion. I'd rather throw you in the ocean.
We're just gonna take a nap. We're the dial.
I'm not sure about anything, but chances are you're not for me, 'cause I'm a little hard to please. I like girls that don't like me. I wonder if we'll ever meet, but chances are you're not for me, 'cause I'm not sure about anything.